everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can unblock users on Telegram. So if you have blocked someone on Telegram and you want to unblock them, the process is straightforward. Here's the step-by-step guide for unblocking user on Telegram for both Android and iPhone devices. First of all, launch the Telegram app on your device. Once you are on your home screen or chat screen, you have to just go for the three verticals line or hamburger option which is on the top right corner of the screen. Once you are here, you have to tap on the setting option. So once you are on your setting, you have to scroll down and go for the privacy and security. So once you are on your privacy and security, you have to just go for the blocked user. So here you can find the blocked user. You have to tap on the three dot and go for the unblock user. So this way you can easily unblock the user on Telegram. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.